2, 1. Coming to get you, ready or not. Whizz, where are you? Whizz! Whizz, you in there? Whizz?
You're never gonna catch me, you're never gonna catch me. Belly!
Whizz, where are you?
Hey, Belly! What a lovely evening for a run. I just ran the backfield 3,333 times.
Is it a lovely evening?
What's the matter, Belly?
Hmm.
Aren't your cousins visiting this evening? I didn't even think you'd be here.
They came over, but they're gone out for the evening on a super cool hunting run and midnight feast of yummy slugs.
Wow! So, why didn't you go?
My cousins are older and play more with my big brothers and sisters. They didn't really play with me, and I felt a bit...
A bit hungry?
No.
A bit tired?
No, I even had my nap today.
Oh. Was it so?
I felt a bit shy, I think.
Shy?
Yeah.
Why shy?
Well, I don't know. I didn't go with them.
Oh, poor Belly. I think the gang are here. Maybe they can help you.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Hey, everyone.
Hi, Michael. Hi, Lily Mae.
Hello, Belly.
As Arlene and Kendall. Hi, guys. Maybe they'll be able to help you, Belly.
Help me?
Yeah.
What's wrong, Belly?
What's wrong, Belly?
Are you okay?
He's feeling a little bit shy. You can help, guys, right?
Yeah, I know.
So this is the story. Belly's cousins are here visiting, and they're a little bit older than Belly.
They're much older than me.
And Belly's a little bit too shy to go and play with them. Can I ask, have you guys ever felt this way? Have you ever been a little bit shy?
When I kicked my ball next door, I got a little bit shy. The gate at the side was open, but I was too shy to go in it because they were asleep.
Oh, you were too shy to get your ball back. Oh.
Does anybody else have a story about being shy?
I wanted to play with my sister. I was shy that she was going to say no.
Oh.
Who can remember their first day at school?
My first day of school, I was very shy
Really?
because I thought the other people didn't want to be my friends. So then
Oh,
I just tried to make some friends.
Where did you feel it in your body?
I felt a little shy in my head.
And what did you do to make yourself feel better?
Try to make lots of new friends.
That's really good advice, Michael. So when you're feeling shy, you have to make an effort.
You do have to make an effort.
The first day of my first school, I met friends.
Did you feel shy?
Yeah, they were too, but we were all playing together then. Sometimes if you get shy, you don't have to be shy. You play with your friends, or you see your new teacher, and your mom has to bring you to school, and you get a bit shy, and you tell more people it's good for you.
So we feel shy because of other people. But then other people can make us forget about our shyness too.
Oh, yeah. I'm usually not really shy because I love making new friends and I'm always full of energy. So that's why I don't really know how to help you, Belly. That's why I need your help, guys.
What would you do to help somebody who is feeling shy?
Do you want a hug?
Oh, maybe that's what he needs. Is it a hug? Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, thank you, Candy.
Aw.
That was a great hug. Yeah, I don't feel so shy now anymore. Hugs are good.
We hug all the time, don't we?
Yeah.
Come here. Oh.
It is when you hug your parents when you're shy.
And does that make you feel better?
Yeah, or breathe in and breathe out.
That's great advice. And if shy was a colour, what colour would it be?
Grey.
Grey. Yeah, that's a good one.
Like me?
Yeah. And you're shy too.
Light red.
Light red.
Because of the cheeks.
Oh, yes.
Or your face gets like a little bit hot and a little bit red when you get shy.
Yeah. Blushing. Yeah, that's it. Where in your body would you feel shyness?
Your tummy.
In your tummy.
Because you
Yeah?
get butterflies.
Oh, and how does that feel when you have butterflies?
It makes your stomach sore. It's like you're a bit hungry. And like it hurts, like your belly hurts, yeah, I know. Yeah.
Oh, so it gives you a bit of an icky tummy, is it? So you feel the shyness in your tummy.
Can you show me what a shy face looks like?
Your head goes down and you're big. Oh, yeah. You cover your eyes like that, Lily May, when you're shy.
This is the shape that I make when I'm shy.
Oh,
Look.
oh
It's
poor
like this.
Belly. You know what, Belly? You remind me of a story my mom told me when I was shy. She said I was like a night daisy.
A night daisy.
Yeah, daisies close their petals in the evening time.
Like they're shy.
Exactly. But in the morning, their petals are wide awake, full of lovely food for the bees.
To make honey. Yummy.
Yeah, and she taught me how to take a deep breath and open my daisy petals, and that helps me feel less shy. Want to try it?
Sure, why not?
You have to put your paws out in front of you and open your fingers up wide.
Mm-hmm.
Like daisy petals, exactly. Now breathe in slowly through your nose and close up your petals. And as you breathe out, open up your petals and you can make a humming sound. Like the bees coming out to feed on the daisies. Excellent. Let's try it again. Breathe in and close the petals. And out and go. One more time. Breathe in. Close the petals. And out.
Did that make you better now, Belly?
You know what? I do feel better. Thank you. And thank you, Whiz.
Breathing with our daisy hands helps us relax. It may not stop us feeling shy, but it does help.
Yes, it does. Thanks, Whiz.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, and speaking of daisies, there's a lot around here around the pond. Can anyone show me how to make a daisy chain?
What's a daisy chain?
It's like a necklace made out of daisies. We'll just pick the daisies together and then we'll tie them up and make a nice chain out of them. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Hey, look! I did it! Those are your daisy chains. They look amazing.
Oh, nice work, everybody.
How do you find it making daisy chains?
They're actually very fun, actually.
And do you feel better after making them?
Yes.
And why didn't you try them on as well?
Yeah.
They look great!
Thanks for helping everybody. Do you feel better now, Belly?
Yeah, I'm feeling much better now. I think I'll go find my cousins now and show them my new chain. Wanna come with me?
Oh,
no. Don't tell me you're feeling shy now.
no, I'm not shy. I just don't have a daisy chain like everyone else.
Do you want mine?
Oh, your one. That would be lovely. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you later. I'm going to go play with my cousins.
See you later.
Bye.
I had so much fun with your cousins, Belly.
I know. And they love their daisy chains.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Thanks for helping me to stop feeling shy earlier, Wiz.
Oh, no problem, Belly. Everybody feels shy sometimes.
Well, I'm glad I got over it because I had so much fun playing with everyone.
Yeah. Happy days, Belly.
Happy daisies, Whiz. You get it?
Huh?
Happy daisies.
Oh! I get it now.
Happy daisies.
The daisy chains, yeah.
Minding me. Minding